You know, every once in a while, you come out to a property and you think, I could live here. Well, this is one of those properties. Today, we're at a 50 by 60 in Brooksville, Florida, and let's take a look. All right, guys, so real quick, walking around the front of this 50 by 60, this is Jay's garage right here. Jay's really into cars. As you can see, we have 4 10 by 12 garage doors. Those are commercial grade roll-up doors. They roll up, they roll down. Nice chain hoists. Coming around the side of the building, really loving the color choices Jay did right here. We have a nice pebble beige side. We also have that cocoa brown, nice and contrasting, along with the gutters. Really doing the trick, keeping that rain off of the front entry and putting that rain right through the sides right there. What I do like to mention is on a 50 by 60, Jay did as-built engineered drawings. And what those drawings do is show you exactly where your garage doors are, exactly where your walk-in doors, windows, everything in between. What that allows you to do is make it nice and perfect for your garage door. So when it rains, that water shoots out, rolls down the hill. It's not going to come inside your building. So take a look at the concrete. Very good job here. Walking inside this Goliath barn right here, we're 50 foot wide, 60 foot deep. A lot of spots for cars, a lot of spots to do work projects. Jay's just retired, moved down here from New York, New Jersey. And as you guys can see right here, he has a car lift. So what we do in a car lift situation is he actually went thicker with the concrete where the car lift is gonna be in order to hold the weight of the car lift. He said a car lift like this is gonna weigh about 3,000 pounds and it's going to be load-bearing areas. So make sure your concrete pad, if you're doing a car lift, that you're going to have the thicker concrete where the car lift is. Walking around this building right now, just installed, but Jay already has all of his toolboxes filled to the brim in this metal building right here. Coming around the side, you guys can see we have the ladder legs, ladder trusses. We have 6-foot braces, 4 foot on center. So essentially this building is certified for 175-mile-an-hour winds, really good in those hurricane areas or tornado alley. Walking out the nice walk-in door right here, we have a nice French door. This is called a 9-light walk-in door. As you guys can see, 9 windows, nice to be able to see in, see out. Add some of that ambient lighting that we all like. You guys can see around the side of the building here, we have the vertical wainscot. This is called the 2-tone deluxe package, kind of breaking up the building, making it nice, kind of really cool in the neighborhood. Walking around to the front of the building, actually backwards, but want to mention a couple things about a building of this size, guys. You're gonna need permits most likely, and in certain areas where you have an HOA, you wanna make sure that it's approved by your HOA. That way this building goes up easy peasy. It's gonna be delivered and installed just the way we like it. And want to just zoom in on a couple things while we're talking about the building. As you guys can see how beautiful the trim is around the garage doors. Very nice and wide, really popping and eye-catching when these garage doors go up and go down. Really looks awesome. Another thing I want to mention on this building right here, we have the 6-inch overhang always on all of our buildings, all around the whole entire structure. Really good for adding gutters, as you guys can see. The gutters look great, match perfectly. We actually don't do gutters, but you can add those very simple and easy. Rolling up the garage door, as you guys can see, this is a 10-foot wide, 12-foot tall garage door. Rolling up as easy as it gets. And those are adjustable. So if they're rolling up a little bit too fast, too slow, you can adjust those real quick and easy. Always like to do a little bit of background on our customers. You know, Jay just retired, obviously. He's filling this thing up with all of his toolboxes and kind of his dream cars and projects. So while he's retired, he's gonna have something to do and really be able to show the fruit of his labor and enjoy life the way he should. And it doesn't matter if it's a hobby garage, whether you're looking to start a business, grow a business, or add value to your home. Honestly, any type of building is a great building to enjoy life, and this is what Big Buildings is all about. This is Tony here with Big Buildings, here to give you the information you need so that you can get the metal building of your dreams.